last week we finished 20 rows, and then we're gonna start now 21. So we've got 10 in white plus 5 here. So it is 2, 4, 5, and then we've got 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And 10 is here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We're gonna put here on this one. Make sure the latch is up. Now we've got black 22, and actually they are going the same place with the previous row. So when the black finish, we're gonna put the black here, and then we have 3 white, and again it's exactly the same. So we're just putting the white here 3, and then we have 6 in black, 6 in black here, like this, and the white is going to the end. 29 stitches plus 5 is 34, like this way here. And then we're gonna keep them, all of them together, these yarns. Make sure the latch is all up. I'm gonna double check first, because sometimes, surprise, they are, yeah, I can see they're all right. So now I'm sure, and I can keep the yarn together, and then we can just this one here, and now we can go through. And now we're gonna go to row number 22. So this look like this. We don't need yarns, just leave a little bit longer, and then we're gonna take it off. And we need this, and this one. And then yeah, we're gonna go to the easy part. The easy part I'm gonna leave you alone, so you can you've got patterns in the previous this patterns you've got in the previous tutorial, and then you can download. So few rows I'm gonna tell you from which to which row, then you can do by yourself, and then we're gonna join together. But at the moment we've got to do 22 row. So now we are on the row 22, and we're gonna make now we're gonna put 28 white plus 5 is 33. So it's, I'm gonna count 28 from the dot. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, and this is my 28. Now we've got 8 in black, 8 in black. It will be here. 2, 4, 6, 7. Just a second, let's see. 8, 20. Then we've got 2 whites. Then we've got 21 in black. 21 in black. And then to the end. Then we're gonna keep all this together. Just a little bit pull. And this is where we need to be careful. Here we go. So I made from 22 to row 44. As you can see, I'm showing 44. And you can make between 22 to 44, 45 rows by yourself because it's so easy. You can see here the numbers. There's like a 33 white, repeating 18, 18, 20. So you can see this everything. So this way you can do by yourself, and then see you on Thursday. And today I've got, unfortunately, the doctor appointment, and I've got ear infection. So I can't do anything else today. So I'm gonna make with you the last row for today. So it will be row 45. And we're gonna start from this side, and we are putting white to white, oops, white to white, black to black, and white to white. That's why this few rows, they were so easy. Then you can do by yourself, follow the patterns, and then see you next time, I think on Thursday. So this is the last row 45. And here we go. This is coming here. I'm gonna take off this two only. And on the wrong side, you can see is coming cut. We can have here tail and the legs here. So it's coming nicely. So see you on Thursday, and I hope we're gonna finish this week. I'm planning to finish for Saturday last bit, and then we're gonna stitch this cushion together, and let's see how it looks like.